Yeah, g'day team, Scotty Hillier here for AllBrand Caravan Services. Hope you're well, and for those that headed away for the school holidays, hope you had a good time. For me, I've been very busy filming with Creek to Coast. Where had we been? We went up to Port Douglas. We're celebrating 25 years of Creek to Coast this year, so we took a big team up there, caught a couple of fish. I've been to Mackay, went and caught a couple of fish there, and next week I'm off to Melbourne. A little bit cool down there, but we're heading there to do a little bit of filming. But as I said, for those of you that did get away over the school holidays, whether you're in your caravan or your motorhome, you might be looking at a little bit of maintenance or a little bit of upgrading. So I'm just saying, Toddy and the team at AllBrand Caravan Services are ready to go. Now, the big one we're talking about at the moment, and I'm copying it a lot of caravan shows, people talking about being able to enhance their off-grid capabilities, you know. Because off-grid is becoming more and more popular. So if you wanted to maybe upgrade your solar, upgrade to lithium batteries, or upgrade your lithium batteries, inverter systems, all of those things that are going to help you stay off the grid a little bit more longer, a little bit more comfortable, you need to give Toddy and the team a call. Even if you've got some questions, give them a call. They can answer those for you. And if you want to get the work done, they're the team to do it. Stay safe, stay well. We'll see you next time.